Which raised toilet seat for elongated toilets is actually good? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit to find the right answer. Today, we're uncovering the best options that offer real comfort and safety.
Product number 1, Kohler Heighten Elevated Toilet Seat. The Kohler 25875-0 Heighten, priced at $75. What caught my attention here is its elegant design that doesn't scream medical, which is a huge plus for keeping your bathroom looking nice. If you want a raised seat that blends in while offering comfort, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Kohler Heighten offers a 3-inch raised height, which is perfect for anyone with limited mobility. The soft close feature is a game changer, preventing loud slams that can startle you. Plus, it boasts grip-tight installation hardware, meaning it's easy to install and won't shift around, perfect for maintaining stability. And with over 2,000 sold just last month, you know it's popular among buyers. Now, some people complained about the price, saying it's a bit steep for a toilet seat. Here's the thing though, the quality and design really justify the cost, especially if you value aesthetics along with functionality. This is perfect for you if you want something that looks good in your bathroom while meeting your needs. Skip this one if you're looking for something super budget-friendly, but for the quality, it's a solid investment. Now, if the Kohler's price point gave you pause, the next option is a great budget-friendly alternative.
Product number 2, Sound Fuse Toilet Seat Riser. We have the Sound Fuse Toilet Seat Riser, priced at $59.39. This one really caught my eye because it comes with adjustable height and width settings, making it super versatile. If you need something that can easily adapt to your needs, this is worth checking out. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It supports up to 400 pounds, which is impressive and indicates strong stability. The adjustable height ranges from 18.1 to 23 inches, so it can accommodate a variety of users, including seniors and those recovering from surgery. Plus, it has a cozy padded seat that adds comfort, and the anti-sleep rubber legs are essential for safety, ensuring it stays put. Some folks mention that the installation can be a bit tricky if you're not handy, but honestly, once it's set up, it's incredibly stable and secure. It's really designed for safety, so the initial hassle is a minor hurdle. This is perfect for you if you value stability and adjustability in your toilet seat. Skip it if you prefer something simpler without height adjustments, but the safety features are a strong plus. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want extra support.
Product number 3, Medline Raised Locking Toilet Seat. The Medline 5-inch Raised Locking Toilet Seat. It caught my attention because of its locking mechanism that adds a layer of safety. If security and ease of use matter to you, this is definitely worth a look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It features a secure front clamping mechanism to lock it firmly in place, which is crucial for anyone who might feel unsteady. With a weight capacity of 400 pounds, it's perfect for a range of users. Plus, it's easy to clean and fits most elongated toilets, which simplifies maintenance. However, a few reviews pointed out that the armrests can be a bit uncomfortable for longer use. Here's the thing though, the added support they provide really outweighs this minor discomfort, especially for those who need that extra help getting up or down. This is perfect for you if you need reliable support and safety in the bathroom. Skip it if you're not a fan of armrests, but it offers great value considering the features. Now, if the armrests bothered you, let's move on to a product that provides an alternative solution with even more adaptability. Product number 4, WeHup Raised Toilet Seat. The WeHup Raised Toilet Seat, priced at $89.99. I was drawn to its added height and safety grab bars. If you're looking for something that makes sitting and standing easier, this one deserves your attention. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It raises your seat by a full 5 inches, which can make a huge difference for mobility issues. The safety grab bars add stability, helping you feel more secure while using the toilet. It can hold up to 350 pounds and has adjustable arms for a custom fit. Some users mentioned that assembly could take a bit longer than expected, but honestly, once it's set up, this seat provides fantastic support and can greatly enhance your bathroom experience. This is perfect for you if you need extra stability and want an adjustable option. Skip it if you want something that's ready to use right out of the box, but the safety features are hard to beat. Now, if you're still considering a more affordable option, the next one on our list might just be the perfect fit. Product number 5, Carex Easy Lock Raised Toilet Seat. We have the Carex Easy Lock Raised Toilet Seat, priced at $42.40. What stood out to me is the easy installation process. If you're looking for something straightforward, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The easy lock design makes it super easy to attach and detach without any tools, which is fantastic for quick cleanups. It adds 5 inches to your toilet height as well, which helps those who need a little extra boost. Plus, it fits most toilet styles, making it versatile for different bathrooms. However, some users felt it was less sturdy compared to pricier models. Here's the thing though, for the price, it still offers solid support and functionality, making it a great budget choice. This is perfect for you if you need an uncomplicated, cost-effective solution. Skip this one if you're looking for something heavier duty, but for the price, it's a smart buy.
So, we've covered 5 fantastic raised toilet seats for elongated toilets. Whether you prioritize design, adjustability, or ease of use, there's something here for you. Just remember to think about your specific needs before making a choice.